Is your laptop battery dying faster than ever? Let's expose the truth with one simple Windows command. Before we start, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and follow for more quick Windows tricks from InfoITPro. Press the Windows key, type CMD, right-click it, and choose Run as Administrator. Type this command exactly: power/battery report/output C:\\. Users \% username %, downloads \my batteryhealth.html. And hit enter. Boom. Windows instantly creates a detailed battery report in your downloads folder. Open my batteryhealth.html in your browser. You'll see your design capacity, full charge capacity, and even your battery health percentage. Want it calculated automatically? Visit infoitpro.com/2025/11/check your laptop battery health using .html. Links in the description. Before your battery checks out, don't forget, like, share, and comment if this helped, and make sure you're subscribed for more powerful Windows hacks.